Would you like to install a Linux operating system on the Windows operating system without using a virtual machine, and then run Python code on Linux using the Visual Studio Code application? This is actually very easy. We download the Ubuntu and Python application from the Microsoft Store application. We determine our Unix username and password from the console window that appears. Then we open the Visual Studio Code application and select the Ubuntu option we downloaded from the Connect to DUSL with distro option. After making a DUSL connection to the Ubuntu operating system via the Visual Studio Code application, we also install the Python plugin for Visual Studio Code. In Ubuntu, our user files are located in the home directory. After installing the plugin, we create a Python file and save it in the home directory. After completing the installation steps, we create a Python file in the home directory. We're trying to run our Python code on Linux by writing one of the simplest codes into it. Our Python code worked without any problems. You can run your applications and services on them by installing more than one Linux operating system on the Windows operating system. Another short video ends here. See you later.